Hey, how's it going? So today I'm going to change the timing chain tensioner of my '04 Mini Cooper S. This is the new tensioner. These are hydraulic tensioners. They're operated by oil pressure. And it is located right behind that bolt right there. You would think that would be easy to get off, but no. The oil cooler is right there. And it doesn't leave enough space to get a socket and an extension and a wrench on there. So you need to use a 19mm 3/8 drive socket with a 3/8 drive wobble extension. And that will allow the extension to clear the oil cooler. So I don't have any wobble extensions for 3/8 drive socket. I only have them for 1/2" drive, and those are too big to fit in here. So I'm gonna actually just remove this oil cooler. You can see the T30 bolts right there, on there, and there's one under there somewhere. I'm just gonna take those off and move this out of the way. It's gonna be a little oil drippage, but that's okay. If you have an automatic transmission car, this oil cooler is not there, so you don't have to worry about any of this. Also, you need to take the wheel well liner off and the wheel, obviously. Alright, never mind, there's 4 bolts that hold this in. You will need to refill that oil if you take this off. Now I can fit my big 24-inch flex head ratcheting breaker bar made by Powerbuilt. Link in the description. Thing is amazing. And I can fit it right in there. Very easy. Here is the old tensioner. Goes in the bolt like that. That plastic piece goes in there, slides into the engine like that. You can see this one is actually extended because there's oil pressure inside of it. When I press it, see oil squirting out of it. But you can tell this one is pretty old. It has a nice film of crap on it. It's discolored. This is probably the original one. And the reason why I'm changing this is because sometimes after I drive the car and the engine's warmed up and I shut the car off, then I start the car to drive again and the engine is still warm, I'll get like the timing chain rattle. And also sometimes when I would start it cold, it would rattle, and then I would shut it off, and I would turn it back on, and it would be completely smooth. So it's either intermittently not holding oil pressure or sticking closed. And it's not keeping tension on the chain all the time. So I'm pretty sure this is what was causing my weird rattle sound. I don't really know. We'll put the new one in and see if that fixes my problem. So here's the new one. Very nice. This is what's under the plastic piece. In case you're wondering, just a little ball check valve or whatever. That'll go like that. You can choose to replace this copper gasket. I'm not going to. Just going to slide this back in there, thread it in and tighten it. You should torque it to 45 foot-pounds. Should be good. Now I gotta clean up the oil cooler surfaces, put that back together. When you first start the car, it's gonna rattle a little until the new tensioner pressurizes. I think that worked. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, hit the thumbs up. Subscribe for more videos like this. I'll have a link to the tensioner in the description, as well as the power built breaker bar. Thanks for watching. Why am I looking at the microphone?